Telecom giant Reliance Jio has launched their online grocery shopping platform Jio Mart. In this video, we will be taking a look at how it works and the quality of the products. Hey guys, this is Keerthan Bhat from Gadget Park. Let's get started. You can access the website by going to jiomart.com. The first thing is the UI. It is very clean and simple. Everything is categorized and loads up fast with no hassles at all. You can choose the products, go to cart and place the order. If you have used other services like Big Basket, then this website will be very easy to use. One thing which I disliked about the UI is that if I want to buy half kg of tomato, then I'll have to search for the particular product. We don't find the same product with different package size together. So that's about the UI. Once you have placed the order, you will not have an option to choose a particular time slot for the delivery. They will give you a particular date. It can be delivered any time before the given date. They don't even contact you before coming. I got a call from the delivery person saying that he is waiting at my gate. So I hope they add slots soon and I need not keep waiting for them. Once the product is delivered, this is how the packaging looks like. They use paper for the packaging, which is good. The packed goods come in their respective packages. The most important thing when it comes to groceries is quality. Here I was disappointed the most. Most of the fruits and vegetables were below average, so the quality is definitely not up to the mark. Now let's see the pricing. Most of the products has discounts and is priced lesser than their competitors. But since the quality of the products is not good, the discounts just doesn't make sense. So this is about Jio Mart. Please make a note that Jio Mart is still in beta and should improve in the coming days. So that's pretty much it guys for this video. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you liked it, vote it down if you didn't. Comment down if you have any questions, subscribe for more such content. This is Keerthan Bhat signing off. Have a great day. Bye now.